Assalamu alaikum students. The first topic is direct and inverse proportion from chapter number 1. First is direct proportion. What is direct proportion? The direct proportion is the term direct proportion means that one or more quantity is increased, second is also increase. एक क्वांटिटी अगर हमारी इंक्रीज हो रही होगी तो सेकंड इज़ आल्सो इंक्रीज. दिस इज़ कॉल्ड अ डायरेक्ट प्रोपोर्शन. वी टेक अ एग्जांपल. हम एक एग्जांपल लेते हैं, उससे आपको जो है वो क्लियर आपका कॉन्सेप्ट होगा. द रिलेशन बिटवीन टाइम एंड डिस्टेंस. द फर्स्ट इज़ फॉर एग्जांपल टाइम एंड distance. Let x is a time and y is a distance. The relation is x and y, the ratio between x and y. I have a distance covered 1 kilometer in a 10 minutes. I have distance covered is 2 kilometer, this is 2 minutes. The distance is increase. We observe time is also increase. The distance covered is 3 kilometer. This is the time is 30 minutes. The distance is 4 kilometer. The time is also increased. This is 40 minutes. First quantity is increase, second is also increase. First quantity is increase, second is also increase. You have a distance is 1 kilometer. 1 kilometer distance covered in a 10 minutes. Distance is increased 2 kilometer. Distance is 2 kilometer. Time taken is 20 minutes. The distance covered is 3 kilometer. The time is 30 minutes. The distance is 4 kilometer. The time taken is 40 minutes. The distance is increased, time is also increased. You observe, this is 10 upon 1 is equal to 10. 20 upon 2 is equal to 10. 30 upon 3 is equal to 10. 40 upon 4 is equal to 10. What is 10? 10 is a constant. You observe कि what is 10? 10 in a first में हमारा 10 है, second में 10 है, and the third में 10 है, and the fourth one is 10. This means 10 is a constant. 10 is a constant value. The equation of direct proportion means x is directly proportion to y. प्रोपोर्शनैलिटी का साइन रिमूव करते हैं, वी पुट अ कांस्टेंट, और x अपॉन y इज इक्वल टू k. दिस इज द इक्वेशन ऑफ डायरेक्ट प्रोपोर्शन. x अपॉन y इज इक्वल टू k. दिस इज द इक्वेशन ऑफ डायरेक्ट प्रोपोर्शन. सपोज you have a two ratios. ठीक है. The equation of direct proportion is x1 upon y1 is equal to x2 upon y2. This is also a equation of direct proportion. Clear this point? X upon y, you have a two ratios. हमारे पास 2 3 जितने भी ratios होंगे, we use this equation के x1 upon y1, x2 upon y2. The next topic is inverse proportion. What is inverse proportion? In the terms of inverse proportion, one quantity is increased and the second is also decreased. In other ways, the first quantity is decreased, the first quantity is decreased, the another quantity is increased. एक quantity increase होगी तो second जो है वो decrease होगी. सेकेंड अगर इंक्रीज होगी तो फर्स्ट क्वांटिटी डिक्रीज होगी. दिस इज अ इनवर्स प्रोपोर्शन. वी टेक अ एग्जांपल. We take an example, I have a number of boys, number of boys, let x, and number of sweets, number of sweets is a y. The relation between them x and y. I have 20 boys or I have 20 sweets. I have 20 sweets. किस तरह हम डिस्ट्रीब्यूट करेंगे? दिस मीन्स कि एक बॉय के पास एक हमारे स्वीट्स आएगी. You have a number of boys is 10. How many sweets in every boy? 2 sweets. Number of boys 5 and the number of sweets distributed is 4. The number of boys is 2, the toffees is 4. The number of boy 1, the toffee is 20. This means first quantity is decreased and this quantity is increased. One quantity is increased in inverse proportion, one quantity is increased, the second is also decreased. This means this is a inverse proportion. You take 20 into 1, this is a 20. 10 into 2 is equal to 20. 5 into 4 is equal to 20. 2 into 10 is equal to 20. And 1 into 20 is equal to 20. What is this? 20 is a constant value. The relation between x and y. And the proportion is inverse proportion. Inverse proportion means the equation of inverse proportion, x is inversely proportion to y. We remove the proportionality sign. जब हम प्रोपोर्शनैलिटी साइन को रिमूव करते हैं तो हमने यहाँ पे कोई कांस्टेंट वैल्यू अप्लाई करनी होती है k अपॉन वाई और एक्स वाई इज इक्वल टू के. दिस इज द इक्वेशन ऑफ इनवर्स प्रोपोर्शन. द सेम थिंग कि अगर आपके पास 2 और मोर क्वांटिटीज़ आ गई, द इक्वेशन ऑफ इनवर्स प्रोपोर्शन इज x1 y1 इज इक्वल टू x2 y2. दिस इज द इक्वेशन ऑफ इनवर्स proportion. The equation of direct proportion is x upon y is equal to k. This is the equation of direct proportion, and xy is equal to k. This is the equation of direct proportion, inverse proportion. Clear? In direct proportion, first quantity is increase, second is also increase. First quantity is decrease, second is also decrease. This is called a direct proportion. And the inverse proportion is कि first quantity is increase, the second is also decrease, and the second is decrease, first is also increase. एक quantity increase होगी तो second decrease होगी, second increase होगी तो first हमारी जो है वो decrease होगी. Clear student? I hope understand all the student. Take care and Allah Hafiz.